Morning. Chef here. Okay, in one of the kitchens I got this mandolin going. This is the heavy duty Braun 40 blade, cut proof glove, carrots. Oh, beautiful carrots. So we're going to be doing the julienne cut. I've got the setting below with the fine blades, and I've got it opened to a optimum setting for a nice julienne. Here we go. Look at that cut. I like it. So if you need any of these products, just hit up your sponsor right there, and they've got them in stock. Free shipping, fast delivery. That's exactly what I'm looking for in my vegetable mixture right there. Keep cooking and have a beautiful day. Aha, chicken lemon, baby asparagus, julienne carrots. That's the video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, support your sponsor. Oh, that's going to be good. And don't forget, the julienne carrots were made on the mandolin. Keep cooking and have a beautiful day. The sponsor is having a sale on these boost blocks. Really nice. This one here is the gathering block. It's about 200 pounds. It's end grain rock maple, and it's been used for over 10 years. It's really, really nice to prep food on, let me tell you. All right, that's the video. Get cooking. They're having some sales on there and some good deals. You can't go wrong. This block here is over 10 years old. Yeah, very, very sharp. Okay, it's not even puncturing my thumb here. Okay, really, really nice. So if you're looking for the good stuff, right there, your sponsor. Thanks for watching. Keep cooking. Have a great day.